Hello and welcome to Farm Matters and my tip of the month. This month my tip is all about PDF and Excel exports. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then on farm and events, this will bring me to my grid of current animals. I can then choose File in the top left hand corner and then Excel export. We then need to give the file a name. We'll call this file test3, where we can click save, and then you'll see the prompt asking if you would like to open the file. Click yes, and as you can see, the file has now been exported into an Excel format. We do this in exactly the same way for a PDF file, by choosing File, and then PDF Export. We need to give the file a name. In this example, we call it Chris Test. Then we can click Save, where we'll receive a prompt asking if we'd like to open the PDF file. We click Yes, so you can see the PDF file has been brought in. You can use this tip throughout the software for most listing grids. Hopefully, some of the things you've watched will help you maximize your use of the software. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.